Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your ETH securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, make sure you have both a Binance account with some Ethereum in it and the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't have these set up, take a moment to create your accounts. It's quick and essential for this process. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Ethereum wallet. Tap on the Receive button to display your wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's your unique key to receiving funds, so double-check for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. Step 2. Log in to your Binance account via the website or app. Go to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. This is where the magic happens, so proceed with caution. Step 3. In the withdrawal page, search for Ethereum and select it. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the designated field. Make sure you're using the correct network. Ethereum typically uses the ERC20 network. Step 4. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Binance will show you any withdrawal fees, so review them to ensure you're comfortable with the costs. Then, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication steps for extra security. Step 5. Once confirmed, Binance will process the withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates. Finally, head back to your Trust Wallet app and refresh the Ethereum section. Your transferred ETH should appear shortly. A quick tip. Always verify transactions on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to confirm everything's gone through smoothly. There you have it. Your Ethereum is now safely in Trust Wallet. This process keeps your assets decentralized and secure. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.